On November 1st, Saleman Shiek, a ragpicker, had found 23 bundles of US dollars wrapped in a plastic bag near the Nagawara railway track when he was looking for waste materials in plastic bottles. It is estimated to be around $3 million, that is about Rs 25 crore. It has finally been established that the $3 million is fake currency. The police commissioner, B. Dayananda, confirmed that the notes were fake as per the reports. The commissioner said that the police are investigating the case and if there is any potential link between these fake currencies and the black dollar scam.
Dollars or fake dollars found a few days ago in Bangalore City. A case has been registered in Nagawara police station. It is now ascertained that the currencies are fake, they are not original. So accordingly, the police are investigating the case. We have registered a complaint and police are investigating this.
So do you find any connection with the black dollar scam?
We have to establish that one. Without establishing, we cannot say with confirmation, but police will investigate and find out the facts behind this.
But another aspect is that Bapi claimed that he was kidnapped and tortured in custody.
That receipt we have heard, but he has not yet given any formal complaint. Today also he is being called based on his complaint. We will proceed further. He has not given any complaint.
Subscribe to Daily Salah Digital to get the latest updates.